Welcome to SS2 Commerce. Today we study consumer protection and the Federal Competition and Consumer Protection Commission, FCCPC. Consumer protection ensures that buyers of goods and services are treated fairly, receive accurate information, and can seek redress when their rights are violated. In Nigeria, the FCCPC is the primary institution for consumer protection and ensuring competitive markets. Consumer protection refers to laws, regulations, and institutions designed to safeguard buyers of goods and services from unfair business practices, fraud, unsafe products, and deceptive advertising. Why consumer protection is necessary? Information asymmetry: sellers often know more about the product than buyers. Market power imbalance: large corporations can take advantage of individual consumers. Health and safety: unsafe products can injure or kill consumers. Fairness: prevents exploitation of vulnerable groups, elderly, poor, illiterate. Market integrity: fair competition and accurate information make markets work better. The United Nations Guidelines for Consumer Protection, 1985, updated 2015, recognize 8 fundamental consumer rights. 1. Right to safety: protection from products, services, and processes dangerous to health and life. 2. Right to information: access to accurate, truthful information about products to make informed choices. 3. Right to choose: access to a variety of goods and services at competitive prices. 4. Right to be heard: representation at government level, consumer views considered in policy. 5. Right to redress: fair settlement of just claims and compensation for misrepresentation or unsafe products. 6. Right to consumer education: knowledge and skills to make informed choices. 7. Right to healthy environment: living and working in non-threatening environments. 8. Right to basic needs: access to basic goods and services, food, water, shelter, healthcare, energy, education. These rights are embodied in the Federal Competition and Consumer Protection Act, FCCPA, 2018 in Nigeria. The Federal Competition and Consumer Protection Commission, FCCPC, was established by the Federal Competition and Consumer Protection Act, FCCPA, 2018, which repealed and replaced the Consumer Protection Council Act, CPC. The FCCPA is a comprehensive modern law covering both consumer protection and competition regulation. FCCPC mandate: protect consumers from exploitation, unfair trade practices, and unsafe products. Promote fair competition and prevent monopolies and anti-competitive behavior. Investigate consumer complaints. Issue fines and penalties. Advise government on consumer and competition policy. The FCCPC performs these key functions. 1. Consumer complaint handling. Receives, investigates, and resolves consumer complaints against businesses. Can compel businesses to provide redress, refund, or replacement. Online complaint portal, FCCPC website and app. Free consumer hotline. 2. Market investigation. Can investigate sectors or companies suspected of unfair practices. Has powers to raid and search business premises. Can subpoena documents and witnesses. 3. Competition enforcement. Investigates anti-competitive conduct, price-fixing cartels, abuse of dominant position, bid rigging. Reviews mergers and acquisitions to prevent monopoly formation. Can impose fines of up to 10% of turnover for serious violations. 4. Product safety. Sets and enforces product safety standards in coordination with SON, Standards Organization of Nigeria. Can order recall of unsafe products. Can ban products dangerous to consumers. 5. Consumer education. Conducts awareness campaigns. World Consumer Rights Day, March 15th, annual activities. School programs, radio and TV campaigns. The FCCPC has taken an active role in regulating digital markets. 2023 investigation into Google and Meta for potential abuse of dominant position in digital advertising. Investigation into ride-hailing platforms, Bolt, Uber, for surge pricing and driver/rider treatment. Regulation of fintech and digital lending, FCCPC crackdown on illegal digital lenders, loan apps, charging exorbitant interest rates, harassing borrowers, and accessing phone contacts without consent. E-commerce consumer rights, Jumia, Konga, Jiji required to display accurate prices and provide clear returns policies. FCCPC is not the only consumer protection body. Sector-specific regulators also protect consumers. NAFDAC, National Agency for Food and Drug Administration and Control, protects consumers from unsafe food, drugs, cosmetics, water, beverages. SON, Standards Organization of Nigeria, sets product quality standards, prevents sale of substandard goods. CBN, Central Bank of Nigeria Consumer Protection Department, handles banking consumer complaints. NCC, the Nigerian Communications Commission Consumer Affairs Bureau, handles telecom complaints. NAC, Nigerian Electricity Regulatory Commission Consumer Affairs Division, handles electricity billing complaints. NECO, Consumer Protection Unit for insurance complaints. NCA, Nigerian Civil Aviation Authority, passenger rights for airlines. Consumer protection is a two-way street. Consumers also have responsibilities. 1. Be informed, research products before buying. 2. Be honest, do not make false claims or attempt fraud. 3. Buy from registered sources, avoid counterfeit and unsafe goods. 4. Report violations, file complaints with FCCPC, NAFDAC, NCC, etc. 5. Respect environment, responsible consumption and disposal. 6. Act in solidarity, support other consumers and consumer organizations. Summary of Consumer Protection and FCCPC. Consumer protection safeguards buyers from exploitation, unsafe products, and deceptive practices. 8. UN Consumer Rights, Safety, Information, Choice, Be Heard, Redress, Education, Healthy Environment, Basic Needs. FCCPC, established by Federal Competition and Consumer Protection Act, FCCPA, 2018, replaced Consumer Protection Council. FCCPC functions: complaint handling, market investigation, competition enforcement, product safety, consumer education. FCCPC digital role: action against loan apps, ride-hailing, big tech. Other protectors: NAFDAC, food/drugs, SON, standards, CBN, banking, NCC, telecom, NAC, electricity, NECOM, insurance, NCA, aviation.